In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely delete a credit card account in QuickBooks Online. When we say safely delete, we're really talking about making the account inactive. In QuickBooks Online, that's the best practice because it removes the account from daily use while preserving all historical data for reports, audits, and reconciliation history. Nothing is lost, and your books stay intact. Start by heading to the left navigation panel and selecting Accounting. This opens the workspace where all of your accounts live. From there, go to the Chart of Accounts tab. This is the complete list of your company's accounts, including bank accounts, credit cards, income and expense categories, and more. Now, find the specific credit card account you want to remove from active use. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly narrow it down by name or type. Once you've located the right credit card, look to the far right of that row for the small caret icon, sometimes shown as a tiny arrow. Click that caret to open the Actions menu for that account. From the menu, choose Make Inactive. QuickBooks may prompt you to confirm this action. That confirmation is there to prevent accidental changes, so review the account name one more time and confirm. When you proceed, the account becomes inactive. It disappears from your active lists and won't be available when you create new transactions, but all existing transactions remain exactly where they are. Your reports, reconciliation history, and audit trail stay intact, which is why this is considered the safe way to delete an account in QuickBooks Online. A few helpful notes as you do this. Make sure you've stopped using the card for new entries, and ideally, that the balance is cleared and your recent activity has been reconciled, so your records remain clean and understandable. If QuickBooks won't allow the account to be made inactive, it usually means it's still referenced somewhere, such as in a recurring transaction or as a default posting account. Updating those references resolves the issue. And if you change your mind later, making an account inactive isn't permanent. You can bring it back when needed. That's all there is to it. To recap in plain terms, open Accounting on the left, go to Chart of Accounts, find your credit card account, click the caret, and choose Make Inactive. With that, your credit card account is safely removed from daily use while your historical data stays protected.